Rebecca's dock. Benjamin Bridge was snoring again. And he was snoring so loud he was shaking and shuddering from one shore to the other. Every time Rebecca thought Benjamin had finally stopped snoring, out came the most enormous snore of all. Rebecca knew it was going to be a very long, loud, snoring night. Well, the following morning was foggy and soggy in the big harbor. Theodore and Shelburne were waiting for Rebecca to go exploring again. When Theodore saw Rebecca, he blew his cheeriest "Good morning" whistle. Not so loud, grumbled Rebecca. See, she hadn't slept one bit again, on account of Benjamin's snoring. And now she was really tired and really grumpy. Theodore was really surprised. He couldn't ever remember Rebecca sounding so grumpy before. "Is everything okay?" asked Shelburne slowly. "Let's just get to work," frowned Rebecca. "Yeah, let's just get to work," Theodore frowned at Shelburne, just like Rebecca. "What are we looking for today?" said Shelburne. But Rebecca didn't seem to hear him. "What are we looking for?" Shelburne repeated a little louder. "Shelburne," said Rebecca, "stop shouting." Shelburne was lowering his dredge slowly, very slowly, into the water. "And don't creak so loud," added Rebecca. Everything today seemed to upset her. "Don't creak so loud, Shelburne," repeated Theodore. Theodore didn't really know why Rebecca was so upset, but if she was upset, he decided to be upset too. Shelburne began to lower his dredge even slower. "I found something," said Shelburne quietly. Shelburne's dredge had hit something on the bottom of the harbor. Now he tried to raise it up, slowly. It seemed to take forever, and all Rebecca wanted to do was go back to her dock to sleep. "Shelburne," she shouted, "hurry up, I don't have all day." But of course, Shelburne couldn't go any faster. Theodore honked at Shelburne. "Shelburne," he shouted, "hurry up." Shelburne was so upset at all the shouting and the honking that he gave his line a jerk. It snapped. "I think," said Shelburne, "I broke my cable." Theodore pulled Shelburne to the repair dock and headed home, following Rebecca. No one said a word for what seemed like a very long time. "Well, why did you do that?" Rebecca said suddenly. For a moment, Theodore wasn't sure Rebecca was talking to him. "Do what?" he asked. "Well, why did you shout at Shelburne?" asked Rebecca. This time, Theodore didn't say anything for a moment. "You do that," he said finally. Now it was Rebecca's turn to look surprised. "Yes, I guess I did," she said slowly. "I don't know why I shouted at Shelburne," she added. "But," said Theodore slowly, "I thought you knew everything, Rebecca." Rebecca turned to Theodore. "I do know one thing," she said softly. "Well, what's that?" said Theodore. "I know I should apologize to you. I'm kind of tired and grumpy today. Benjamin kept me up all night with his snoring. But you're the one who did the shouting, said Theodore. Yes, said Rebecca slowly. You're right, Theodore. I'm the one who did the shouting, and I'm sorry. Well, suddenly everything seemed kind of turned upside down to Theodore. Like the water was dry, like the sky was wet, like he was bigger than Rebecca. Rebecca, he said at last. Yes? It's okay. Nobody's perfect. For the first time that day, Rebecca smiled. Thanks, Theodore, she said. I'll remember that. But what am I going to do about Benjamin snoring? Theodore had an idea. I think, he said, that old ship's bell we found the other day is just the thing. It is, said Rebecca. If we tied it onto Benjamin, explained Theodore, then every time he snores and shakes, the bell will ring and wake him up. That's a perfect idea, said Rebecca. It's not perfect, said Theodore, but it just might work. What am I going to do with this radio? Now, maybe Captain Jerome would have taken his radio and given it a good shake to clear away the fuzz. But I think I have a better idea. Just going to put it back in its place here like this. Turn it off. And just let it rest for a moment. Thanks for visiting us here in the Big Harbor. We'll see you all again next time. Ah, look at that. Huh? It works. And no fuzz. And now I can call the dispatcher. Oops. I forgot what I was going to say. Well, nobody's perfect.